What are the rules of capital letters? How do I know when I should capitalize a letter? So a noun is a person, place, or thing. There are two different kinds of nouns. A common noun is just the general names of people, places, or things like cat, dog, city. They're only capitalized if they appear at the beginning of a sentence or if they're part of a title. A proper noun are the names of specific people, places, or things. So Bob is someone's name, so that would be a proper noun. Or if you like to go to Watiki, Watiki would be a proper noun. Proper nouns are always capitalized. There are some rules about proper nouns. The first rule is proper nouns are always capitalized no matter where they are in a sentence. An example of that is I went to school on Monday. Monday is a proper noun, so it is capitalized. If the proper noun has more than one word, the first letter of the important words needs to be capitalized. An example of this is, have you read The Cat in the Hat? The Cat in the Hat is the name of a book, so the words in and the are not important enough in this title to be capitalized. So there's lots of examples of proper nouns. Um, this These slides will be posted in your kickstand lesson in the Digging Deeper section if you want to come back and look at this more. But some examples are the names of people, names of pets, geographic locations, the months of the year, the days of the week, holidays, planets, names of newspapers or magazines, the names of books, cities, states, the names of places, different languages or nationalities, and brand names. So let's practice. Mrs. Jones uses Skittles to play math games. In that sentence, the word Skittles is a brand name, so that would be a proper noun that we would need to capitalize. In the next example, it says, I am going to a parade on the 4th of July. 4th of July is a holiday, so we would need to capitalize both the F in the word fourth and also the J in July. Of is one of those insignificant words that we don't have to capitalize. The next example says, dogs are my favorite animal. Dogs is not a proper noun, but it is a noun found at the beginning of the sentence. So we do need to capitalize the D in dog in this example. The final example on this page says, my favorite game is Among Us. Among Us is the name of a game, so we would need to capitalize the A in among and the U in us.